Hey guys, April 27, 2022, and we are looking at AMD, and we are right again 4 days in a row. Guys, if I'm any more right, a white van is going to pull up on the side of the road while I'm jogging and pull me in and ask me, do I have insider trading? Guys, if you have been paying attention to me, I predicted this move and you could have made some cash. Now, let's see how I made that prediction. Zoom out real quick on AMD. So we did a trend line and put this stock trend in the range. And I told you midday yesterday, hold on, let's zoom in. I think it was at, 12 o'clock, I'll say. I don't know. But I told you I wouldn't buy in yet. I will more so wait until it touches this $43 line or touch the bottom of this cone. And then I'll go long for $1. Now it went up $6 or 5, sorry. You could have made some serious cash, but if you had listened to me and waited and caught it on the bounce, these lines I'm making are not done outside of the video. So I'm not manipulating anything on the back. If you look at my video yesterday, these are the lines that were created. So it bounced nicely off 82.80. You could have held for $1. It never would have touched 81.80. And then if you held for $1, you would have had your 83.80 right about here, less than 5 minutes later. Wow. Is this a 5 minute chart? Oh no, this is the hour chart. Excuse me. Let's go back to our 5 minute. But yeah, we would have bought at the bottom of this trend range cone, sorry, and would have sold for a nice $1. But those who have held or woke up this morning could have sold as high as $88. Jesus, that's a $6 increase. So guys, I can't be any more right on these big name stocks. I know I cover a lot of small stocks, but it's only because volume is being shared and a lot of people are interested in it. But the ones you can make good money on are the big names like AMD, Twitter, Neo. None of the penny stocks, really, in my opinion. I always say that Johnny come latelys, and I don't put much weight into it. But you would have made some money. I can't stress that enough. You guys have to listen to the trend. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'm trying to give you guys my opinion, and hopefully you can take that with a grain of salt and make a good, conscious trade. So, also want to look at Twitter, because Twitter is another heavy one we've talked about. Come on, TR. Okay. So if you look at the 5-day chart that we've done over the past couple days, we have a few lines. We saw there was an uptrend, and then it broke the uptrend yesterday. And if you remember, I was telling you I wouldn't put much weight into this line right here. I know a lot of traders say resistance becomes support. So I was telling you, don't put much weight into this line. Hopefully you didn't and try to go for a bounce or a long position here. I more so have a little more trust in this line here, but not as much as the line I'm going to show you now. So we're going to create a new line. I'm going to show you where that's going to derive from. So if you look over I think a month span or 20-day span, you can see a support forming down here, or has formed, sorry. I'm not sure how we got this line at 44.02, but I feel a little more comfortable creating a line at 45.03. So let me just change my tool here. Price. So let's go 45.03 and 45.12, give or take. So if Twitter ever comes down here, I will look for a bounce long position for like $1. Those who want to hold for $2, $3, that's on you. But I always look for short, quick gains, and hopefully it doesn't bounce before then. It might, because like I was telling you guys in the previous videos, this stock was destined for a pullback. It had some strong upward volume, and it was just a matter of time. So how long this pullback is gonna take, I don't know, because there's no bad news out here that's driving the stock down. So it's kind of inevitable for it to go right back up. And Elon Musk can only add to someone's value. I don't see how he can bring it down. So those of you who are risky, you can try a 47.44 bounce. Please don't put much into that position. If you want to go heavy, well, this is where I'm gonna go heavy at. 45.16 if it ever gets down here and doesn't bounce beforehand. So I might do 20% of my position here, and then maybe 75, the rest of 75 here if, this doesn't bounce for me. But I'm not going to hold my 25% position all the way until down here. I have a stop loss, maybe like $1 below this 47.49, and I'll just wait for it to come to me. I let these stocks come to me. I really don't chase these stocks. So those are the two stocks for today, Twtr and AMD. I hope you guys made some money and you're listening to me and you're working with me to form a better idea of how we should hit this market together. But that's all for today. See you on the next video. Bye.